Okay, guys, so here's how this works. This is what you will see when you get onto your Wonders Reading and Writing Companion. And if you click this little microphone right here, that will read things to you. So it will read you the directions, it will read this out loud. And then you'll see these highlighted words. Those are going to be our vocabulary words. So you'll have to pay close attention to those. Um, if you do not do it in your workbook, then you may do it right on here and it will send it to me. If you click, double click, and then you can type um, whatever you think the correct answer is, and it will put that right there. If you make a mistake, you just go in, double click again, and that's it. I hope this helps a lot for you. These tools up here can also help you. There's a pen so you can make boxes around things. Um, this one is like a sticky note on the book you can use. If you have any questions about this, just let me know.